Want to know how to fix your MoonPay application not working properly or crashing or any other issue? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so I'm just going to show you how it works. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application if it is openable. So if there are any features not working, you can just simply check for updates. For that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your settings icon. Just simply select it and a new settings window should open up. And once you're done, under this version name right here, you should be seeing update if there are any. So if there are any other problems like your device crashing, you can just simply clear out your cache or update it directly through the Play Store. We have also created a video on how to update it through your Play Store or by default, so make sure to watch it. Now, just simply head back, just simply hold on your MoonPay application, select its app settings right here, and on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your clear data option. So this is only useful for Android. If you have Apple, you can just simply reinstall the application. So just simply select clear data, select clear cache first up, and if it doesn't work, just simply select clear all data, and you're good to go. So this should help your MoonPay application not working or working in a faulty way. That's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.